Okay, so we got this old Murray lawnmower. It's been sitting outside for like 40 years. That's the story on it, I guess. But it's got a, it's got a 12.5 horsepower Briggs and Stratton. But I think we are gonna be doing some hefty mods to this thing. We're gonna put a 4-wheeler front end on it, a 4-wheeler rear end on it. We're gonna put an 800cc 2-stroke motor in it. We're gonna have pipes coming out the side. We're gonna beef up this thing. Let's get to taking this thing apart. Okay, well this thing's gonna be a lot harder than I thought. Look at all this dirt. There's just so much of it. I can't even get to the bottom because how dirty it is. But I was looking around because this thing wouldn't come off. I found one wouldn't come off. There's 2 bolts right on the bottom of the frame. Let's hurry and get those things off. Well, I got that thing off. I shook that thing off and all this came out. That is a lot of dirt. Sure, I'm gonna have a messy garage right now though. Let's hurry and get this motor pulled so we can get this thing out and washed. Okay, we got all the wiring out. All of it's out. Let's hurry and vacuum this thing down so we can get some of this stuff out so I can actually see what I'm working with here. Okay, so we got all this dirt cleaned up, or most of it. Forgot to get that part, but I can actually see the floor now decently. Or not the floor, the frame. So let's hurry and pull this brake bracket. We're gonna turn that thing into an e-brake. Should be pretty sick. Okay, so I got everything torn out of this thing. Well, not everything. I got the cab slash frame off. That was pretty bad. Well, not pretty bad, but kind of sucked to get out. Now I gotta pull this motor with these mounts right here. I don't know if I can get to those yet. We're gonna have to do pull this rear end because I'm not using that. We're gonna have to add some supports to this thing because this is not gonna do. If we're gonna go like maybe 60 miles an hour on this thing. These we're gonna have to get rid of these beams because this isn't gonna do. That's just gonna bow going that fast. This I wanna keep the originality of this, the Murray hood. This has gotta go. We gotta go with the Polaris 800 snowmobile motor. Should rip. Okay, this is day 2 of the 800cc 2-stroke lawnmower Murray build. We got that top cab off last night. Now we're gonna work on trying to get the motor out and all this gear stuff out because we don't need this with the race mower. Okay, let's get back to working. got the motor out. We got all this gearbox stuff out. We got it cleaned up decent because didn't want to get in trouble. Because, yeah. Let's hurry and get these wheels off, all 4 wheels. And let's start taking this back piece off and this front piece off. Let's start with this front piece, actually. So my camera dies at the end of this clip, and I couldn't film the rest of it because I didn't realize my camera died. Okay, we got the motor that is going to go in the lawnmower right here. We got some crank shop pipes on this thing. So, 800 Liberty 2-stroke Polaris. This thing, we're going to see if she'll fire right up. It should, and then we'll get it taken down. So I got it to fire up in this clip. I didn't have any audio on it, and the reason it wasn't firing up in the first clip is because the kill switch was off.